Hey Code and Wire Explorers, welcome to the Code and WireX. We are diving into the exciting world of IoT with our new series, starting with the NodeMCU. It is one of the most affordable Wi-Fi enabled powerful development board, and that can be a way of bringing life into your crazy amazing ideas. Without further wasting time, let's get started. NodeMCU ESP8266 development board is a very popular open source platform designed for prototyping Internet of Things projects. It features the ESP8266EX system on a chips from Espressif Systems, integrating a 32-bit Tensilica L1106 RISC microcontroller core. And this Node MCU board simplifies the development process by providing a compact, convenient platform for building Wi-Fi enabled projects. Let's go to the Espressif official website and take a look. These are the some features they are explicitly saying, like it is highly durable and capable of used in industrial environments. It is very compact and power efficient due to its RISC architecture and its powerful Tensilica processor. Almost 80% of its processing power is available for programming and development. It also supports real-time operating systems. Some of the other important features like CPU frequency, 80 MHz is default frequency and it can be adjusted up to 160 MHz. Up to 4 MB SPI memory is provided and it can be up to 16 MB, and SRAM is 64 KB. Wi-Fi standard BGN, all the 2.4 GHz frequency band are supported. Some of the Wi-Fi modes are like soft AP station, soft AP plus, and in terms of security, these are the all security are available here. And networking protocols, you can check it from here. And in terms of GPIO, it provides 17 GPIO pins, and GPIO 16 pin can be used for waking up it from deep sleep. And one of the important thing about is like current limitation for GPIO pins is 12 milliampere. It features one ADC, basically analog input. You can use it as a almost all the GPIO pins can be used as PWM pins except this analog pin. It also supports I2C, and that you have to implement with software and SPI. Up to 3 SPI component can be connected. It also supports 3 UART interface. UART 1 is used for firmware and program upload. And one of the most crucial thing that you should always keep in mind is operating voltage. It is between 3 to 3.6 volt, and it does not support 5 volt logic. It supports 3.3 volt logic. Some of the USB to TTL interface supported like CH340G, CP2102, and other available USB to TTL modules. So in terms of programming language, Lua scripting is default language, and but we can configure it with Arduino IDE, and we can use Arduino C as well as MicroPython. It also supports one of the cool features, that is over the air firmware updates. In terms of IDE, you can use NodeMCU firmware for Lua scripting, Arduino IDE, Platform IO, Espressif IoT development framework, etc. So enough features. Next, let's explore the pin diagram and details, because understanding the pin is very important for connecting sensors and actuators. You can refer to this diagram. You can see most of the pins are PWM enabled, and some of the important components are like this is CP21 02. This is USB to TTL converter. Inside this Wi-Fi module, you can see this picture. This is expressive ESP8266 module, and this is the 4 megabyte flash memory, and this is the crystal oscillator. So now understand some of its pin details, like from D0 to D10. D1 can be used as SCL for I2C, D2 can be used for SDA, and D5, D6, D7, D8, all these are related to SPI interface. D9 and D10 are related to UART 1. This is being used for uploading firmware, and built-in LED is connected to this GPIO 1 or D10 pin. Now that we know what NodeMCU is capable of, let's talk about some of its practical application. The possibilities are endless, but here are few ideas to spark your creativity. We can build weather station to get data from different sensors such as temperature, humidity, pressure, and upload them to the cloud for analysis and visualization. Smart garden irrigation. Create an intelligent irrigation system for garden that monitors soil's moistures and activates the irrigation system whenever it is necessary. We can build home energy monitoring system that will read the power being consumed by our different appliances in our home, and it will send those data to some server, and we can track that from there and can manage our appliances accordingly. We can create panic button alert system, and we can implement using a simple button, and when it is pressed it will send notification or alert to the predefined context by email messaging services, and this can be helpful to elderly people or kids or maybe physically disabled persons. Some of the applications like automated fed feeder, vehicle tracking system, smart mirror, water quality monitoring, gesture control appliances, smart doorbell, and many more. And there you have it, folks, the NodeMCU ESP8266 gateway to exciting world of IoT. In the upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into its programming, project tutorials, and most importantly, the IDE setup. If you are excited as I am about this series, hit the like, share, and subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss upcoming videos. Until next time, keep coding, keep wiring. Thanks for watching.